Hi to all. Today we are going to see how to switch from Windows to Linux by using virtual machine. You need to download virtual machine from internet and you have to install in Windows. Once you completed the installation, here you can see the virtual machine icon. Like this icon you can see from your Windows desktop. Then you must extract Fedora. If you need, I can give you the link. You can ask me through mail. So you must extract Fedora in any one of your free drive. Here you can see inside the F drive I extracted the Fedora. Here you can see I extracted the Fedora. You cannot operate this Fedora by using Windows. So you just extract it. Then you can open the virtual machine. You have to click only once. You should not give multiple clicks. Then it won't allow you to log into the virtual machine. So now by using this player button, you can see file, open. Now you can see the Windows drives. Go to your Fedora place. Here I am opening F drive. Here you can see the Fedora. Just double click it. Now you can see one icon. Okay, just click it and give open button. Here you can see the open button. Once you completed this, in virtual machine on top of the screen you can see this green arrow mark. Just click once and you need to wait until the loading process completed. It will take few seconds. You need to wait until the complete loading process. After this, it will take few seconds. Now you can see the login screen. Here you can go to the other, have to press other, and username is root or OOT. You can see the username is root. Click login and the password is same software name, this Fedora. Okay, so FEDORA, Fedora. Now just give login. You need to wait until the loading process completed. Now it's entering to the Linux operating system. We are using Fedora here. Now you can see the complete Linux screen. Just you can close if there is any pop-up screens. Okay, now it's ready to work. By this way, you can switch from Windows to Linux from your system. This is presented by Saturn Forces. Thank you so much.